Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi Monroe, for those of you who are new, and to all my returning subscribers. Hey guys, it's so nice to see you guys again. In today's video, I will be doing my nighttime skincare routine because you guys left a comment on my last skincare video. And someone asked me to do my morning and nighttime skincare routine. Just an FYI to all of my newbies, I do have acne prone and sensitive skin. So I cannot use products with a lot of fragrance. Typically, I try to avoid fragrance altogether because it breaks out my skin. I am very careful with the kinds of creams and lotions and serums and everything that I use for my face because I tend to break out very easily and very quickly. It's a blessing and a curse to have high maintenance skin. I do see it as a blessing now that I understand my triggers. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the family down below and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram and TikTok are at Naomi Monroe. So as you can see, I do have a headband. I actually have like 3 different color headbands, which I'm not ashamed of. I have a pink, a tan, and this really pretty teal. And I also have cuffs. I highly recommend getting a set of these because it's life-changing. You know how usually when you wash your face, the water slides all over your arms and end up all over the counter or on the floor? These cuffs just avoid the mess altogether. So definitely invest in a set. I will leave the link below to these that I got, and the material is really nice as well. I do throw these in the washer just because it will pick up makeup or just get dirty over time. Yeah, I start off with putting that on. Security is going off in the background right now. Chiquita, what's up? She is security. My dog does not play. For those of you who don't know, I have a 5-pound Chihuahua named Chiquita. And for those of you who do know, y'all know the routine. She usually pops off on something. So she's literally like my Ring camera. Since I do have a little bit of makeup on, I will be going in with this hyaluronic acid micellar gel. I actually really like this product because it's super hydrating. I did get this at Marshall's. I will check Amazon to see if they have it, but as you can see, I use this often. I love taking my makeup off with this. If I don't use this, I just use micellar water. I will leave the link to the one I do use below, but this is a really great brand. I honestly just randomly picked this up one day because I was like, a gel? A gel has to be more hydrating than just regular micellar water, so that's kind of how that happened. So I start off with pouring a good amount onto my hands and rub it together to activate the ingredients, and I literally just go in. Later, I will add water to this routine. By the way, what I love about this micellar gel is that it takes off my mascara so easily. This is what one pass through looks like. Literally took off all of my makeup. I may have like a little bit of mascara left over, but the cleanser will clean that up, which is our next step. So the cleanser that I'm currently using is by Lemieux, and this is their brightening cleanser. So I'm currently using this one because it helps with discoloration and dullness of the skin, and I do have a few dark marks that I am working on. It does have ingredients that are trying to correct these dark marks. I do like to apply this at night. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with a toner, and this is the Lemieux Iso Recovery Solution. So I'm gonna go in, and I'm super generous when I apply this toner, just because I feel like for all the products that we have coming up, they have something to stick to. So that's just kind of my philosophy on it. Wow, look, my skin is already coming back to life. That's what we want to see, guys. Okay, so something new I have added to my skincare routine are these pore pads, and this is by Celebraby. So these pads purify your pores by removing impurities and excess sebum. It also improves skin elasticity. What I love most about this is the packaging. So it comes with these little tweezers, and you're just gonna go ahead and grab a pad, and I let these sit on my skin for about 5 minutes just so that my skin can really soak up the product. The reason why I place them here is because these are like the areas that I feel like I have larger pores and collect a lot of gunk. I'll be right back in 5 minutes. We're just gonna let these sit. I will have them linked below, by the way. And by the way, guys, when it comes to the pore pads, I do these like 3 times a week. But yeah, highly recommended. My skin looks amazing afterwards, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. So I'm actually going to tell you guys about the lip care I have been using. So this is Harry's Black Lip Balm. It's made with meadow foam oil, and when I tell you this is a life-changing lip balm, guys, and I'm not even a lip balm kind of girl. So what this lip balm does is that it hydrates your lips and also enhances your natural lip color. So you're gonna see in a little bit that my pinkish tone is gonna come out a little more. Okay guys, so it is time to remove our pads, and with all the extra product on them, we're just gonna swipe it on our face. Okay, so next are our serums, and I like to go from the thinnest to thickest serum. So starting with the SkinCeutical P-Tiox, this is a peptide serum. This is a wrinkle modulating peptide serum, which improves the look of contraction lines, texture, and radiance. Next, I'm going to go in with my hyaluronic acid serum. I love using hyaluronic acid morning and night because it helps with the hydration in your skin. After putting that on, I am going to go back in with this Lemieux Isocell Recovery Solution Spray to add a little more hydration and kick to my hyaluronic acid. And I like to press that in. Look at the skin. The skin is looking so good. As you can see, my skin is radiant, it's bouncy, looks youthful and plump. Okay, so the last serum we will be using is this niacinamide serum that I mentioned in my last skincare video. I talked to you guys all about niacinamide and how your skin can benefit a lot from this product. Niacinamide is amazing if you have like textured skin. It also helps shrink pore sizes. I love incorporating niacinamide into my skincare routine. It feels so good. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit for about a minute or 2 just so our skin can suck up all those serums and ingredients. I do like to apply this exfoliator. This is by Paula's Choice. I love this exfoliator. I just started using it not too long ago. I used to use it a lot in the past, and I'm back on it. This is a 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid. What it does is it unclogs pores, shrinks enlarged pores, smooth and even skin tone. It is lightweight and absorbs very quickly. I only recommend applying this at night, and make sure that you use a sunscreen the next day because it is strong stuff, and you do want to make sure that you are protecting your skin while it is removing all the dead skin cells and unclogging your pores. You know, this is like strong stuff, so definitely do that. And you also don't want to be like dermaplaning or doing anything like that while you're using this product. It says to use a cotton pad, but to be honest, I find that I get the most out the product and the bottle when I just apply it directly onto my skin like so. I had some stubborn acne on my forehead for about like a couple of months, and I had completely forgotten about this product, and ever since I got this product 4 months ago, my forehead acne, like the little bumps I have disappeared. I have like a few remainder bumps, but I feel like this is just like purge. I do like to apply some on my nose as well because I find that my nose does collect a lot of dirt and just gets clogged very easily. So because it is nighttime, I don't need to apply any sunscreen, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my hydrating cream. Okay, so my last step is just sealing everything in with a good lotion slash cream. So what I'm using today is by Botanity, and this is the Macule Water Gel Cream. It's great if you're looking to hydrate, soothe your skin. It also helps with sebum care, and it is very lightweight. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. I do also like to apply this on my neck. Don't forget your neck, guys, because it can be kind of easy to forget. So after that step, you will look like a glazed donut. That means you're headed in the right direction. Don't let the glaziness fool you. It means you are taking care of your skin. So the eye care I tend to use is by Kiehl's, and this is their creamy eye treatment with avocado. Oh my god, this stuff lasts a very long time. I don't apply too much just because it is super thick. I try to avoid using this when it comes to like makeup, because I do prepare my skin when I'm about to put on makeup. I can definitely do a separate video on that if you guys want me to. Comment down below if you guys need that. I'm very careful with the products I use under my skincare because it can affect how patchy your makeup looks, or like the creasing and stuff like that. Even though I do have a nighttime skincare routine, I do have a very similar routine for makeup. There's just slight differences and tweaks because of the difference in textures between the makeup and the skincare products. I like to make sure the combinations work well together. All right, loves, well, I hope you enjoyed this bedtime skincare routine. I hope you end up looking like a glazed donut like me. That means your skin is on the right track, and I'm so excited for your skincare journey. You're obviously here for a reason. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, or you guys need me to talk about a different topic regarding skincare, comment down below. I'm so excited because this video is definitely gonna help someone. So as long as this is reaching who it's meant to be, I feel like I fulfilled my purpose with this video. Well, amigas, make sure you subscribe to the channel down below. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will be chatting with you all very soon. Bye.